This exhibition is by an artist named Maurizio Cattelan, and you may know the artist for his infamous banana taped against the wall at Art Basel, Miami. And this exhibition is called Sunday. It's sort of a monument to American gun violence, and it features two major installations here at the Gagosian Gallery. So as you can see, these are real bullet rounds. The plates were manufactured in Italy and electroplated in gold, and then they were shipped to New York, where they had a team of professionals, I don't know what exactly that means, fire real rounds at the wall panels. And there's 20,000 rounds of ammunition fired from 6 different guns, and that's why you can still see real bullet holes. And the artist wanted the panels to be shot on American soil, as well as for the panels to be displayed on American soil, sort of as a monument to the issue of gun violence in America.